After more than a decade of absence from the US market, Suzuki is making a surprising return, though not in the way many may have expected. The Japanese automaker, which pulled out of the US in 2012, showcased its latest innovations at the 2024 Consumer Electronics Show, presenting a mix of nostalgic and forward-thinking concepts. At the heart of Suzuki's display was the Super Carry pickup, alongside autonomous technology and electric mobility solutions. However, there's a twist: none of these vehicles are available for purchase just yet. The star of Suzuki's booth at CES 2024 is the Super Carry, a compact pickup that embodies the company's small, few, light, short, beautiful design philosophy. Previously popular in markets like India and Southeast Asia, the Super Carry is a practical workhorse known for its simplicity and utility. While it's exciting to see the small pickup making an appearance at CES, it's important to note that the Super Carry is purely for display purposes. The truck will not be available for sale in the US anytime soon, making its presence at the show a nostalgic nod to Suzuki's past rather than a glimpse into its future product lineup in America. Beyond the Super Carry, Suzuki is signaling its shift toward the future of mobility. The company introduced its electric mobility base unit, a versatile robot chassis designed for a wide range of applications. Powered by Suzuki's electric wheelchair technology, the EMBU is engineered to be adapted with autonomous driving systems from third-party companies. While it's not designed specifically for consumer vehicles, the EMBU could be used in diverse settings, from autonomous delivery robots to snow removal drones, giving a fascinating look at the future of robotics and autonomous work vehicles. One of the most innovative prototypes at the CES show is the snow removal drone, created in collaboration with Everblue Technologies. While snowplowing might not seem like a groundbreaking field for automation, this prototype has the potential to revolutionize winter maintenance. Equipped with a 210-watt motor, the drone is capable of reaching a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour and can clear snow across a range of 18.6 miles. Though still in its prototype stage, the snow removal drone is expected to be ready for production in 2026. Its capabilities could have a major impact on winter cities, offering a solution to clear snow from pathways and driveways autonomously. Suzuki's innovation doesn't stop there. Another interesting concept on display at CES 2024 is the Applied EV, a small, modular electric vehicle designed with adaptability in mind. This skateboard-like platform can be customized with different upper bodies for various applications, such as self-driving logistics vehicles or electric trolleys. The Applied EV is envisioned for use in environments like airports or large logistics centers, where its compact size and flexibility make it a perfect candidate for urban settings or automated transportation in controlled spaces. Suzuki has positioned it as a safe, simple electric vehicle solution, with great potential for autonomous transport systems. Lastly, Suzuki also showcased a small passenger pod designed for short trips, with the idea of using dedicated lanes for autonomous vehicles. This concept is geared toward providing clean, efficient, and sustainable transportation options for urban areas. The pod aims to reduce road congestion and provide more environmentally friendly solutions for local commutes, ideally taking advantage of specially designated lanes for autonomous vehicles. While these forward-thinking concepts show Suzuki's ambitions in electric and autonomous transportation, it's clear that the brand is still in the early stages of testing the waters with these innovations. The return of the Super Carry at CES serves as a reminder of Suzuki's legacy in the US, but the brand's future in America will likely focus on cutting-edge electric and autonomous technologies. For now, those hoping to buy a Super Carry in the US will have to wait, perhaps indefinitely, while Suzuki explores new frontiers in mobility. Suzuki's appearance at CES 2024 proves the brand's desire to evolve and remain relevant in the ever-changing automotive landscape. Whether the Super Carry will ever make it to US shores remains uncertain, but the concepts displayed offer a promising glimpse into a future where Suzuki plays a key role in shaping mobility solutions.